Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami pyramid. We use no tape, no glue, just one 6-inch square piece of origami. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off by folding in half, diagonally. Crease it, open it back up, and fold it this way in half, diagonally. Crease it, open it up, turn it over, push right here, and fold to right there. Crease this part, fold this here, and fold this here. Crease it, fold it like this. Now you just want to, this is one side and this is two sides. So make sure two side is on top, fold this down right here like this. And do the same thing on this side. Then you want to take this and fold it all the way up, increase it, turn it over, and repeat that step. This up, this, then open this pocket up, open the back pocket up, and fold it. Fold this down, flip it over, and fold this down, crease it, open this back up. You want to open it back up, fold this on that crease, fold it in, crease it, open it back up, and fold this side on the crease, push it down, crease it again, open it up, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.